Mole concept. Atoms and molecules are extremely very small in size, but their numbers are too large. So, in order to count such entities, we use the term mole. Mole is an SI unit for the amount of substance. It is an SI unit for the amount of substance. 1 mole is the amount of substance which contains same number of elementary particles as the number of atoms in 12 gram carbon 12 isotope. So, 1 mole is the amount of substance which contains same number of elementary particles as the number of atoms present in gram. Okay, 12 gram of carbon 12 isotope. Okay. So, the number of atoms present in 12 gram of carbon 12 isotopes is experimentally calculated, and the value is, so, number of atoms present in 12 gram of carbon 12 isotope. It is experimentally calculated and the value is 6.0221 into 10 raised to 23. Okay, this value is a constant. So, 1 mole of any substance contains this much, that is 6.0221 into 10 raised to 23 number of elementary particles present in it. Okay, and this value is called as the Avogadro number, and this value is a constant, so it's also called as Avogadro constant, and this value is denoted by Na. So Na represents the Avogadro number. So Avogadro number of entities or elementary particles are present in any 1 mole of any substance. Okay, 1 mole of any substance contains this much, that is 6.0221 into 10 raised to 23 number of elementary particles. For example, if we take 1 mole of hydrogen gas means it contains 6.0221 into 10 raised to 23 particles. Similarly, 1 mole of oxygen gas also contains this much number of particles. Okay. Next is molar mass. What do you mean by molar mass? Mass of 1 mole of a substance in gram is called as molar mass. Mass of 1 mole of a substance in grams is called as molar mass. For example, in the case of water, molar mass of water is 18.02 gram mole inverse. So, the unit of molar mass is gram mole inverse. Okay. Now, this molar mass will be equal to atomic mass or molecular mass. Equal to atomic mass or molecular mass depending upon the nature of the atoms or molecules, depending upon the nature. If the substance is an atom, if we are calculating the mass of atoms, molar mass will be equal to atomic mass. If we are calculating the mass of molecule, it is called as molecular mass. Okay. Now, some important terms we can determine by using this moles. That is, 1 mole of all gases contains 22.4 liters. Okay, 22.4 liters at STP. The condition is important, at STP. That is standard temperature and pressure. STP means standard temperature and pressure. The standard temperature is at 273 Kelvin and pressure is 1 atmospheric pressure or 760 mm. So we can say that the molar volume, 1 mole of a gas, that is molar volume. The volume of 1 mole of a gas means molar volume, which will be equal to 22.4 liter. Okay. So these are some of the equations used to calculate number of moles. First one, number of moles is equal to the given mass of the substance. If given mass is given, that will divided by gram molecular mass or molar mass. This is the first equation. Okay, so if Avogadro number is given and the number of atoms or molecules are given, number of moles will be equal to number of atoms or molecules by its Avogadro number. Okay, so instead of mass, if volume at STP is given, then the number of moles can be calculated by using this formula. Number of moles equal volume in liter at STP by 22.4. Okay, in the case of atoms, how can we calculate the number of moles? In such cases, we have to divide the mass of the given mass of the substance, that will be given divided by its gram atomic mass. Okay, these are the different equations used to calculate number of moles. Okay. Next, certain problems involving the mole concept. Okay. First one, express in moles. That is, we have to calculate the number of moles. First question, 27 gram of water. So, in this case, number of moles will be equal to, we know, given mass of the substance by its molar mass. Okay. So, in the case of water, the molar mass is how much? It is 18 gram. Okay. Given mass by molar mass. Okay. Molar mass of water, H2O, is 18 gram. So, number of moles will be equal to given mass, that is 27 by 80. The value will be 1.5. This will be the number of moles. Okay. So, in the case of 27 gram of water. Okay. Now, next question, 11.2 liters of hydrogen gas at STP. Here, we can see that number of moles will be equal to volume in liters at STP. Here, the volume is liters is 11.2 divided by 22.4. Okay, number of moles will be equal to volume in liters at STP, okay, by 22.4. So, volume in liters at STP is 11.2 divided by 22.4. What will be the value? After calculation, get the value 0.5. 0.5 moles. Okay, this is the number of moles of hydrogen. Okay.